much of beautiful kurtis collections you're watching here. The entire world of women are really dependent on these collections, right? Yes, exactly right, friends. You're thinking what I'm saying is every college girls, youngsters, every working woman, housewives nowadays easily they want these varieties of ready-made kurtis collections. So please keep watching this video, subscribe this channel if you want to start a clothing business, to purchase a ready-made kurtis collections and to start boutique variety up to 1 lakh to 3 lakhs. You can also purchase and start your boutique business purchase. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel. Friends, here I want to share you a information which is very helpful for you. You can also plan for clothing business, especially for this ready-made women apparels of these ready-made kurtis of 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. And here are the beautiful chudidar running materials also you can purchase. If you are a tailoring business, if you are into tailoring business, or you are already know to stitch the materials, you can buy this material at wholesale price with different color charts, and you can add into your business with the margin of product margin and as well as a stitching margin. Friends, these collections are 80 rupees, 120, 130, 150. Is it possible? Yes. These collections are 80, 90, 120, 150. Up to 2000 rupees you can purchase from only from the manufacturers. A housewife which she has purchased to plan around her boutique to start up, she has purchased of only kurti varieties of regular wear, fancy wear, 2 piece, 3 piece concepts, and RE work, this chumki work, sequence work, hand work, multiple varieties of neck pattern design layers you can see here. And for that she have purchased n number of box collections to have a boutique business well margin. She has also purchased these varieties of boxes where you can also add these boxes into box packing. The Kesaria is giving you beautiful box packing only for the product, either sari or either kurti or lehenga, anything depend on the box sizes. You can also purchase based on the product. And here you can see the only the trolley which is going for a packing purchase, the entire products of kurti, 3 piece concept of this only cotton. One of the south customer has purchased the regular wear kurtis, even the for the shop model. These are all ready-made kurtis, entire section of kurtis over here. And here also you can see opposite n number of bunches of kurtis collections. You can also plan for these varieties. These varieties are having a huge profitable margin, entire section of the kurtis over here. So these are all kurtis are easily purchased from the customer. Not only this pattern, and every pattern you have a color chart. Here you can see the color chart of the same pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a wholesale price where you can see, and in the same pattern you can see the bulk quantity, bulk order also you can place 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it L, M, XL, double XL? This way every packing the product is been packed on. So here also 3 piece concept we do have, and the customer has purchased some boutique varieties of saris also over here. The box varieties of these saris, the catalog lace border saris, I can say, fancy designer boutique saris. These are all like this. This is a semi-stitched blouse, and this is the sari. You have to just alter and stitch according to your size. So this is one of the pattern. Here you can see, here is the billing details which has been highlighted of the customer. So all these details, every sari you will have a beautiful fancy designer blouses with the sari over here, and lace border saris of Poonam printed lace border saris, 1, 2, 3, 4, bulk quantity, individual different colors, different sizes you can see over here, and the entire Kesaria box packing. So if you want a huge box packing, the Kesaria logo with the box varieties are there, and individual saris you have a catalog, beautiful catalog with the color charts. So same design with different color. So 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. So 4 colors. Here is the beautiful 6 colors you can see here. The index page over here. The individual boxes, individual color you can have a different margin. So these all varieties. You can also have some Poonam sarees. You can also have some ready-made chudidars, running materials. How this housewife is being purchased from one of the our south state. You can also plan for your boutique pattern and easily invest, and you can purchase and start your boutique business. Up to 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs or 1 lakh you can purchase, depend on your investment. The Kesaria manufactures the real actual price. You can purchase and start the business. They will guide you and support you with the business gateway module. In the gateway module, there is a backend team to support based on your location, what kind of products to purchase you, and what the margin you have to keep. Easily you can get the experience to start your clothing business. The education is not required, only required the knowledge of your location people, what they are wearing and what kind of collections is the regular use. So friends, you can also plan for the boutique business with Kesaria Manufactures. You can also tie up to become a dealer or retailer, wholesaler, or you can start a wholesale purchase and you can see a beautiful, huge, profitable business. So if you really like this video, please share with your friends, relatives, everyone. Let me know in the comment box your doubts. I want to know whatever the extra information. We will clarify you and we will give you the information support where it will be very helpful. Subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it. Follow the website, social media pages. Share the link with your friends, relatives, everyone. And let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting. Next video will meet. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.